Welcome to the training on effective Lean Stand-Up Meetings. Today, we'll explore what Lean Stand-Up Meetings are, their purpose and benefits, and give an overview of the structure that makes these meetings a critical tool for continuous improvement and team alignment. The purpose of Lean Stand-Up Meetings is to align the team daily, quickly identify issues, and track progress against goals. These brief meetings help ensure everyone knows what's happening and can contribute to resolving any challenges. Lean Stand-Up Meetings are held daily, typically lasting 15 minutes or less. The stand-up format keeps everyone on their feet, which encourages brevity and focus, ensuring the meeting stays efficient and to the point. The standard agenda for a Lean Stand-Up meeting is simple. Discuss what was completed yesterday, what will be done today, and address any roadblocks or issues that need resolution. This structure keeps the meeting focused and actionable. In a Lean Stand-Up meeting, the team leader or facilitator guides the discussion, ensuring the agenda is followed. All participants have the responsibility to share relevant updates, and a timekeeper helps keep the meeting on track, ensuring it doesn't run over. To make Lean Stand-Up meetings effective, start on time, keep discussions brief, and focus on actionable items. Avoid getting sidetracked by unrelated topics, and make sure the meeting delivers clear next steps. Addressing roadblocks is a key component of Lean Stand-Up meetings. Encourage team members to be open about challenges, attempt immediate problem-solving when possible, and have an escalation process in place for issues that require further attention. Visual management tools such as Kanban or task boards, progress charts, and daily metrics review can significantly enhance Lean Stand-Up meetings by providing a clear visual representation of the team's progress and any outstanding tasks. Continuous improvement should be a focus even in your stand-up meetings. Reflect on the effectiveness of the meetings, make incremental improvements, and regularly gather feedback from participants to ensure the meetings remain productive. Common pitfalls in Lean Stand-Up meetings include allowing the meetings to run over time, lack of participation, and focusing on non-relevant issues. By staying disciplined and following the best practices we've discussed, you can avoid these pitfalls and keep your stand-up meetings effective. Praxie provides simple yet powerful tools for Lean Stand-Up meeting and action management, as well as dozens of other process solutions. Contact your representative to learn more. In conclusion, Lean Stand-Up meetings are brief, daily check-ins designed to align teams, quickly identify issues, and track progress towards goals. And now that you're ready, complete your assessment today.